So I gotta replace this piece because somebody at AutoZone fucked up and Papa was ready to go home and he fucked around and broke my shit. So, and it looked like it's gonna be a struggle to get this bitch off. Ooh. But I think I can rig it some kind of way. We gonna see. Stay tuned. Let's see. Well, this part was messed up. They over tightened it and broke it. And it looks like it's hell to get off. So I'm replacing it with this piece. But cord. This part here is what I'm trying to figure out how to get off. But if I can't get it off, then I've already cut it. And I'm gonna rig it where it'll fit in there. And I ain't got nothing to worry about. But we hoping, hey, whoever that is that just heard it, I can't see who you is, but hello. I'm hoping that I can try and get this off, but it's looking like I'm not gonna be able to get it off because of this little area right here without breaking the cord, and I don't want to have to cut it back to But then again, maybe I should now because there's two fucking cords. So yeah, no, I don't want to have to cut it. But since I broke it right here, we about to rig this thing. Hey, y'all fuck with me. When I tell you this is about to be my new profession that I can add to the list of things that I'm multi-talented in. Because I know y'all women tired just like I am of being overcharged by these dealerships and these overly managed ass mechanics. Because, sir, all I want is my car fixed. I don't need you hitting on me. Hello to anybody who's just joining. Y'all speak. I can't see nobody. I don't bite. I promise. Not unless you make me. All right. And the guy at the auto shop gonna try to tell me that it wouldn't work or I should go to a professional. And I told him I feel insulted because what are we doing? Damn, just because I got a meow don't mean I'm a damn during distress. If you've been rocking with me, you know everything on my truck I've done myself. Electrical throttle body, brakes, rotors, tire sensor. All this has been done by me. No mail, just me. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pin it. And the only reason why I'm doing it in the dark is because it's supposed to rain tomorrow, and I'm not gonna be able to get out here. I don't want to split that, but I need to clamp it down as flat as I can get it. I got one heart. Who hearted me? Let's see if I can bend this so I can get it. I'm gonna show y'all what my mind is saying do, right? We're gonna pray. I don't think it's gonna work though. I think what I'm about to do is bend this in and slide it through. Cause it's not wide enough. Hold on, wait a minute. Hold on. I might be able to get it on there. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Let me tighten these back for one. We're gonna tighten these back. Cause we actually gonna keep this. Now, if for whatever reason I get shocked, somebody come save me. Cause my children ain't no help. I got one on the phone, one on the game, another one in there fixing some need. God damn it. Kids don't do this at home. So, alright, I'm gonna tighten that back. Alright. So now, what I'm gonna do is bend these sides, man. Because if Papa and AutoZone want to fuck up my shit, I wouldn't have to do this. He overly tightened my damn piece to the point where it broke. You can't even get the screw off. Like, I tried. So I'm trying to put this piece on. And what I'm going to do is I broke it. And I'm going to bend it and put it through there. Because I was like, you know what? If I take this off, the wires got to go through here. Which the wires connecting to metal to make the battery work. Okay, cool. I can't get this piece off. So what I will do is break it. It's still metal connecting to metal. Put it through there. Clamp it down real tight. Connect it. We still rolling. I'm telling y'all, Little Women Under the Hood coming soon. Little Women Under the Hood LLC. Y'all can speak. I don't bite. I just gotta get one side in. I can slide it through. Or you just one of them robots just watching. Probably one of y'all that don't be liking a comment. Just being nosy. A little bit more. Just a little bit more. We should be good to go. Alright, y'all. I'm back. Got it. Anyhow, as you can see, got it through. So what I'm going to do is tighten this down on it. We're going to see if I got success. Nope, that's too big. Hold on now. Wait a minute. Yep, nope. Those are too big. God darn it. Hold on, y'all. I'll be back. I gotta see which one gonna map out and fit. Because the 10 won't fit over it. Wait, hold on. No. No, let me set this before I dump my whole tool thing in the car or in the truck. I'm gonna be hurt. Okay, that one fits. We're gonna set that one over there. Alright, we gotta find one that's gonna fit them top ones. And we got lift off. Boom, boom. Alright. As y'all can clearly see, I ain't trying to get electrocuted. Hold on. I know what I should have did first. So we're gonna go and tighten that down like this. I know you fucking lying. Y'all, excuse my French. Oh my God. Oh Jesus. I did exactly what I said I didn't want to do. And it was drop that goddamn thing down in the truck. Let me see if I can get it. Oh, I'm about to take my watch off. Because I can't even move my battery. Oh, please don't let me drop it further down in here. Got it. Okay, let's try this again. I'm so clumsy, y'all. Okay, so I got it tight. Put it back on. This time we're going to pray on drop this bitch in there and end it. Get it as tight as I possibly can. That way this piece do not slip out. Hello to whoever's watching. Come on, baby. Boy, y'all be some nosy asses. Y'all can at least say, hey, something. Dog kiss foot. Y'all just be trying to see what's going on. Ain't nothing exciting going on in my life. I'm just fixing my truck. I ain't your average female. I don't need a man to do everything. No disrespect to my husband. Alright. We in there pimping. Alright. Now. And he told me it wouldn't fit. Boy, you see how folks like that? Just because I'm a woman. Just because I'm a woman. I should go back up there and be like, see? Told you. I hate when people niggas stereotype you because you're a woman and they think you can't do shit. Because I get shit done. I got one more thing to fix, and that is, oh shit, I want to tighten it just a little bit more. I don't want to strip it like Papa did. Fuck myself up. Alright, boom. So, before I start my engine, my little in-truck tool set, y'all. My little, what's this, a generator? Power pack? Whatever it is. Oh, Lord. My waist beads is caught. Oh! Okay. I'm taking some over here. And again, I took this piece, which the guy at AutoZone on Buena Vista broke my piece because he overly tightened it. So, like, I can't even get that off. Instead, I bought this new piece to match that one because they were mismatched. He told me that this right here would be hard to get off. I really didn't think it was going to be a problem, but clearly it was because I don't know how it's clamped on there, but that was just clamped on there good. So, all I did was broke it, bent it, clamped it through here, clamped this down, clamped the battery clamp on. Moving on. I had to replace this hose because it was leaking. So I already tightened it on there, or at least I thought. But I'm about to see if I can push it down a little bit more because I don't want no leakage. I feel like I pushed it down pretty good. It's not touching the bottom like the old one, but it's on there. Yeah, it's on there. Make sure that's on there too. Alright. All I gotta do is get my oil change and get an alignment. Hey, who knows the best place to get an alignment that ain't gonna cost me an arm and a leg? I'm just saying. I'm gonna act like some of y'all when y'all don't want to spend no money. It ain't gonna cost me an arm and a leg. Now let's see if it's gonna start. Telling y'all, Little Women Under the Hood coming soon. Y'all think I'm playing. Oh, I ain't even got to start it. Y'all, my damn lights on.